Hello friends, good morning. Welcome again. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the product rule of derivative. So in previous lecture we just see how to find derivative using standard function, and if addition and subtraction sign are there, how derivative or the differential operator behave. So this term, this ddx, this is called as differential operator. Okay, now we have seen that if we are going to find the derivative of the function of x with addition sign or subtraction sign, then we can separate the derivative as it is with addition or subtraction. X of g to x, that we have already seen. Now in product rule, if we want to find the derivative of function which is given as the product of two functions, so fx into gx, y is given as fx into gx, so two x terms are there and there is a multiplication sign between them. That's how this fx and gx is. So what is the rule of this product, how to find derivative of this kind of function which is called as product rule. So ddx of y is nothing but ddx of fx into gx. Okay, so in this case, suppose this is my first function and this is I am calling as second function. So the derivative behave like this: first function outside multiply by derivative of second function plus second function outside into derivative of first function. Okay, you need to remember this, or you can write this as first function multiply by derivative of second plus sign is there, second function multiply by derivative of first. Okay, so this is called as product rule. So some example I am solving here. For example, I want to find out the derivative of x into sin x. Okay, now two x terms are there and there is a multiplication sign, so it is of this form, fx multiply by gx. So suppose this is my first function, this is my second function. How I will find out the derivative? So first of all, differentiate with respect to x, and I need to write an operator to both the side because I am differentiating both the side. X multiply by sin x. Okay, now here by product rule of derivative, by product rule what I am getting: first function multiply by derivative of second function plus second function multiply by derivative of first function. Okay, now from the standard formula, just tell me what is the value of derivative of sin x. Take a time and tell me. Yes, it is cos x. Okay, plus sin x into what is the value of derivative of x? Just see in the standard formula. Yes, it is 1. So now I get x cos x plus sin x, and this is the derivative of x into sin x. So that's how we use product rule or product formula. Now next example, we will just solve some few example. So I want to find out derivative of y equal to e to the power x into x square. Okay, e to the power x into x square. So just write here differentiate with respect to x what will I get? Derivative of x e to the power x into x square, or sorry, I will write it as dy by dx equal to ddx of x square into e to the power x. Now we can flip the term, right? I can write x square here or e to the power x here, because multiplication does not affect by flipping. We already know this thing. Now suppose this is my first function, this is my second function. So by product rule of derivative, by product rule, what I have? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay. So how I write it? First function into, what is derivative of e to the power x? What is this value? Just see in the standard form. E to the power x, yes, plus e to the power x into, now derivative of x square. You need to calculate derivative of x square by using x to the power n, which is n x to the power n minus 1. And I told you to remember that just write this 2 here, x, and 2 minus 1, 1. This is here. Okay. So if you substitute 2 here, you will get the same value. So what I get? X square e to the power x plus 2x e to the power x. Now if I take x e to the power x common, I will get x plus 2 remaining. I am just taking this term common, just to represent it nicely. So that's my derivative of the x square into e to the power x. Suppose I want to find the derivative of y equal to log x, x log x. Okay, y equal to x into log x. So again I will differentiate with respect to x. What will I get? Dy by dx equal to ddx of x log x. Okay, ddx of x log x. Now again, this is my first function, second function. So first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x, this value is 1. Just see the standard formula and write it down here. So this x cancel, I get 1 plus log x is dy by dx. Alright. So that's how we solve the that's how we apply the product rule. Now suppose I'll just solve one more example, and then you will try some example by yourself. Suppose I have y equal to cos x into x, or y equal to x into cos x. Okay, so again differentiate with respect to x. I will get dy by dx equal to ddx of x cos x. Okay, so now first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. What will I get? X, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into 1. So I get minus x sin x plus cos x. That is my answer. Okay. Now I want you to try few example. So try this example. First one is y equal to x square into 10x. Second is x square into log x. Third is y equal to sin x into cos x. Fourth one, y equal to e to the power x into sec x. Okay, so just try this example. Now next we are going to see quotient rule of derivative. Next we are going to see quotient rule of derivative. Quotient rule of derivative. Okay, now quotient means you have something in numerator upon denominator kind of thing. So suppose I have y equals to f of x upon g of x. Okay, or numerator upon denominator. Just remember this. So whenever I differentiate, my dy by dx will be ddx of fx upon gx. Okay, now remember that always start with denominator. You always need to start with denominator, and remember what I am saying here. Okay, so denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divide by, this whole term is divided by denominator square. That is the formula. Okay, if I want to write it in the form of numerator and denominator, then numerator multiply by derivative of denominator minus denominator into derivative of numerator divide by denominator square. That is the formula. I want you to remember this formula. I mean, you need to learn this formula. Just write few more times and you will know how to remember it. So I am just trying to solve a few examples. Just keep this formula in front of you. So now y equal to x upon sin x. I want to find out derivative of y equal to x upon sin x. So I will differentiate with respect to x. So I will get dy by dx equal to ddx of x upon sin x. Okay. Now by quotient rule of derivative, I need to start with denominator. So denominator multiply by derivative of numerator minus numerator multiply by derivative of denominator divide by denominator square. Okay, that's how I apply the formula. Denominator multiply by derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, and whole term is divided by denominator square. This is the formula. Now sin x is as it is. What is derivative of x? ddx of x is 1 minus x into ddx of sin x is, just see into the standard formula. Yes, it is cos x divided by sin square x. So I simply get sin x minus x cos x upon sin square x is the dy by dx. Okay, got it? Suppose now I am finding y equal to log x upon e to the power x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to ddx of log x upon e to the power x. Okay, now start with denominator. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, so e to the power x, derivative of log x, ddx of log x, we have seen it, 1 upon x minus log x into derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x upon e to the power 2x. We can write this e to the power x square as e to the power 2x. So simply what I get, e to the power x upon x minus e to the power x into log x upon e to the power 2x. We can further simplify it. Further we can simplify it as so I am just taking this e to the power x common from both the term. So e to the power x, here I get 1 upon x minus log x upon e to the power 2x. So 1 e to the power x get cancelled and just subtract it, 1 minus x log x upon e to the power x. Okay, and we can write this as 1 upon x log x upon x e to the power x is dy by dx. That is the new value. Okay, so I hope you understand it. Now we will solve some example which involve quotient and product rule kind of thing. So suppose I want to find out derivative of y equal to x square plus 2x into cos x plus 2x minus 1 upon x square. Okay, right. Now differentiate with respect to x. What I will get, dy by dx equal to ddx of x square plus 2x into cos x plus 2x minus 1 upon x square. Okay, now ddx of this. So since the plus sign is there, I am just separating the derivative, ddx of x square plus 2x into cos x first term plus ddx of 2x minus 1 upon x square. Okay, right. Now here I have product sign between two x function. So this I need to solve by using product rule. And here I have numerator and denominator. So this term I need to solve by using quotient rule. Okay. Now you can separately solve one by one, first term or second term, and then substitute the value here, or just solve the total example. So in first bracket I am just applying the product rule, first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay, this is my first bracket that I solve, this one. Okay, plus this plus sign as it is here, and now I am writing the quotient rule here in the second bracket. So we always start with denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. Okay, this is the second part of the problem. Okay, product rule, quotient rule, and this plus sign is as it is here. Okay, Now just simplify it. So this, in this first bracket I will get x square plus 2x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into, now derivative of x square plus 2x is derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of 2x is 2 plus, now this second bracket x square as it is, derivative of 2x is, 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, it is constant. So 2 into 1 minus 0 minus 2x minus 1 into derivative of x square is 2x divide by x to the power 4. Okay, I am just writing here. What I will get. So I'll get here, simplify it, x square plus 2x, minus sign I am writing here, into sin x plus 2x plus 2 into cos x plus 2x square minus 2x into 2x minus 1 upon x to the power 4. That is my dy by dx. Okay, so that's how we solve the examples. Now just try few example, that y equal to 2x plus 3 upon x cube, y equal to e to the power x plus 3x upon log x, y equal to 10x upon e to the power x, y equal to x square e to the power x plus x square upon e to the power x. So just try this example. Let me know in comment section if you are able to solve this example and if you are understand the rule very well. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.